Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Land Rover Range Rover SVR. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks excellent. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on them at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Okay, so the driver's side is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the trunk looks fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches, and the back bumper looks perfect as well. Okay, now we're going to have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks really good. I'm not seeing any scratches or no dents at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on them at all. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on the seat. Let's take a look at the door panel. This door panel is in excellent condition as well. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the rest of the center console. Perfect. Everything looks good. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.